Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Complete KYC, confirm your email, and link a withdrawal method. Once done, check your available balance and the platform's fee and limit schedule, because fees and daily limits determine timing and net funds. Now open the Space Market wallet or dashboard and choose Withdraw. This first action kicks off the withdrawal flow. Make sure to select the correct currency and account type so you avoid delays or conversion charges. You now execute the withdrawal by selecting currency and typing the amount. The platform will show conversion rates and any minimums. Next, enter the destination details, bank account info or crypto address, and carefully verify every digit since mistakes cause loss or delays. Then choose speed. Standard may take 1-5 business days, while instant costs more. Confirm the summary, review fees and net amount, and submit. Keep the confirmation ID. You'll need it if there's a problem. You finish by monitoring the withdrawal status on the dashboard. It should move from pending to processing and then completed. If it stalls, make sure you've met limits, that KYC holds aren't blocking transfers, and that the destination accepted the funds. When issues persist, gather the confirmation ID, timestamps, amounts, and error messages, then contact Space Market support. One key tip: always copy and save the transaction ID before closing the screen. Support will need it to trace the transfer quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.